Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Sometimes we don't have that much time to get ready. We just have to get ready around in 15 to 20 minutes and we have very less time for a makeup. So this tutorial is how you can get ready under 10 to 15 minutes and look glamorous. If you want to see how I did it, please watch the video, and if you like the video, please hit like, share and subscribe. So without much blabbering, let's get into the video.
So starting off with a moisturized base, I'm applying NYX Angel Veil Primer and I'm applying it all over my face. For foundation, I'm using Maybelline Matte and Polish and dotting it all over my face, and I'm blending it with the Damp Beauty sponge. I've applied foundation on my neck as well. For concealer, I'm using Maybelline Age Rewind and I'm applying it on the usual areas: under eyes, chin, cupid's bow and forehead. It will bring that highlight to my face, and I'm again blending it with the Damp Beauty sponge. For setting all the base, I am using MAC's Mineralized Skin Finish, lightly applying it all over with a larger powder brush. I'm using a very light layer. Next, I'm using Sugar Contour Palette and I'm using all three things from the palette. First, I'm chiseling out my face with the contour powder with an angular brush, starting from the top of my ears to the middle of my cheeks, and I'm blending it towards my hairline for the seamless finish. And I will use that same contour color on my jawline as well as my forehead. And using the blush given in the palette, I am applying it on the apples of my cheeks and blending it into the contour. I am applying a generous amount because blush is the first thing to go off your face. Next, I'll be applying the highlight from the same palette, and for that I'm only using my fingers here and applying it on the cheekbones, chin, bridge of my nose and above the arch of my brow. And I'll be using the angular brush, that same angular brush I applied the contour and blush with. I'll be applying a little bit of this highlight in the middle of my forehead. With my brows, I'm using L'Oreal Brow Artist here. I'm using a dual-ended brush. I'm filling in my brows and using this spoolie to comb it out so that the color is distributed evenly. Now for eyeshadows, I'm using the Nykaa Just Wink It eyeshadow palette. The color is Crushed Berries. First, using this shimmer shade all over my lid, taking it a little up to my crease. I'm using only my fingers for the eyeshadow here. Whenever we are in rush, we just fumble in choosing all the tools and everything. So I'm skipping eyeshadow brushes over here. Next, I'm taking this lighter shimmery shade. It's a little lighter than the previous one, and I'm applying it in the center of my lids. It will make my eyes look rounder and bigger. It will give me that spotlight effect. I'm wiping my fingers and I'm taking the same highlight shade from the contour palette and I'm applying it on my brow bone and my inner corners to brighten up the eye look. Next up, I'm using this Color Bar Kajal. It has a smudger tip on the other end and I'm applying it in the upper waterline and lower waterline as well as lash line. Next, I'll be blending this lower lash line kajal with the smudger tip. Next, I'm taking this deep matte color. This is a deeper plum color and I'm taking it on my fingers and blending my lower lash line kajal with this color. I'll also be applying it on the outer corners of my eyelid to deepen it up. For mascara, I'm using L'Oreal Lash Paradise and I'm coating my upper lashes as well as lower lashes. Again, putting a generous amount. For tying the whole look together, I'll be using a lipstick here and I'm using Max Meher. It's a nude pink color. It's a very versatile color, goes almost on every skin tone. Next, I'm taking this Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray and spraying it all over my face. Once it dries a little, I'll go in with my sponge to blend it all out and take off all the excess sitting on my face and make it look seamless. I hope you guys like the look. If you do like, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye. Thank you.